What is going on, fishing people? Teresa and I wanted to take the Youkali out. You know, I've got a bunch of guides coming up, and with this thing I can scout several of my kayak fishing spots all at one time, see what's going on, get a general vibe of where the fish are and how they're relating to the structure and the bait. But before we can take the Youkali out, I gotta get this thing in the driveway and fix a problem that we've got with the motor. Check it out. The reason why I was having trouble getting this thing started, it's like an ice bag stuck to the prop, around the prop. Not cool, man. Hope I don't have to take this prop. Nah, there's some stuff in there. I've never taken a prop off on one of these, but I might have to. There's definitely a lot of plastic wedged in there. Got a lot off, so I guess I gotta take this little pin out, cotter pin. Got to figure it out though. This is why I'm in kayaks, people. I'm not a mechanical person. I don't like engines. I don't like metal. I'm the least mechanical person you'll ever meet. Need to get something to stop him from spinning while I try to back this off. Alright, see if we can back this thing off. That came right off. There's the culprit. Look at that. Clean. Gotta straighten that out some kind of way. Alright, that was a simple job, but I don't like dealing with mechanics. I'm not Marty's Offinger. I'll stick to wood and music. Let other people mess with this mechanical bullshit. Have a sleepy Youkali time. Never heard of that skip. That's pretty neat. Must be a locally made. Alright. We got an east wind today, people. Very awkward wind. We're gonna run up it, do some drifts back, and see what we can find today. Got the Youkali out, trying to wake up. We got this new air filtration system at the house. Puts us in a coma every night. We can't come out of it. It's pretty awesome. Here we go. Kinda. There's a big reef out here we're gonna try. Got him on the drop. I'm very partial to this bait, people. Blue shrimp! Ooh, on the top water. Is that a trout?
Yep. Little dink.
He was way up on that grass. Way up skinny, wasn't he? Oh, he's on the bait. Side swiped your sexy dog. So we're up on a big flat in the middle of the bay, and we're just looking for the. No, I got a thing. Just looking for the. It might be a keeper. Just looking for the bait. You're loving your plug. Another little guy. Oh, a little red. Go.
Goodbye, buddy.
Good release, honey.
Easy release.
Show 'em what you're throwing.
Chrome. Favorite.
You'll sit here and catch them all day. You let him go anyway. Look at you. Look at you, Teresa. 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 Look at me. Here, Leeser. He actually hooked himself. This aggressive little dude. Voodoo catches it off. He actually threw the lip. Hear that, kayakers? No prop scoring. Oh, that's a big trout, honey.
Thanks, man.
Oh, that's a keeper. Oh, that's a nice fish. Good job.
Oh. do.
Good job.
Yes, indeed.
Busy this.
All right.
In the head.
Hammered it.
Yeah, he did. And again.
Yeah, they go down in that draft. And I was just saying, I don't know if the redfish will hit it, so I guess everything's gonna hit it.
Looks like it. Let him loose, girl. Let him loose. Are you doing anything special? What are you doing?
Nothing, just moving my top water through the water.
Thanks for elaborating.
Look, okay. There's schools of bait, so I'm throwing into the thicker schools that I can see on top. Like right over there is where I'm going to throw next because they're really thick. And so the fish are holding underneath, in my opinion.
So you're focusing on bait schools?
Yeah. Ooh. Little golden guy. Hello, golden girl.
Back to the confidence bait.
Yeah, I was about to switch back.
Since there's no floating grass, you can go full trouble. Yeah.
Boy, look at how feisty that fella is.
So searching around the flats in Youkali has been a success. I was able to locate a lot of bait for upcoming guides. This thing's been a real big help and we love running around it. Just such a big fishing platform. Pretty much everything we've done this day with the Youkali board and that 2.5 you can do in a kayak. These are all spots that we hit by pedaling to. Nothing more than a mile or mile and a half from the launch, drifting back to the launch. So put your nose into the wind, commit to the drift, and you'll find a lot of fish if you find the bait. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. What?